Hello and welcome. Today we will embark on a journey to cultivate joy and vibrant blooms with our dear friend, the Kalanchoe Blossfeldiana. This beautiful succulent, also known as the flaming Katy, brings such warmth and cheer to our homes with its fiery blossoms. But sometimes our kalanchoes don't bloom as long as we hope, leaving us with a sense of sadness. Together, we will discover the secrets to keeping your Kalanchoe Blossfeldiana happy, healthy, and bursting with colorful blooms year after year. Let's tidy up our care routine and create a space where your kalanchoe can truly thrive. Just like us, kalanchoes thrive in bright and cheerful environments. Place your plant in a spot where it can soak up plenty of indirect sunlight throughout the day. A south-facing window is often ideal, but be sure to filter the light with a sheer curtain to prevent scorching. Aim for a comfortable range of 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. At night, a slightly cooler temperature around 55 to 60 degrees is ideal. Avoid placing your kalanchoe near drafts or heating vents, as these can disrupt its delicate balance. By providing the right balance, you'll create an environment where your plant can truly flourish and bring you joy with its vibrant blooms. Watering our plants can be such a mindful practice, a moment to connect with nature's rhythms. Kalanchoes, being succulents, have a unique ability to store water in their fleshy leaves, making them quite drought-tolerant. Before watering, gently touch the soil with your fingertips. If it feels dry all the way through, it's time to quench your kalanchoe's thirst. Avoid watering if the soil still feels damp, as this can lead to root rot. When you do water, try bottom watering by placing your pot in a shallow dish of water and allowing the soil to absorb moisture from the bottom. This prevents overwatering and allows the roots to drink deeply. Embrace the simplicity of dry air, and your kalanchoe will thank you for it. Just as we cherish our homes, kalanchoes thrive in a cozy and supportive environment. Choosing the right pot and soil is essential for creating a space where your plant can truly flourish. Opt for a pot that provides ample drainage, like a terracotta pot with drainage holes. The porous nature of terracotta helps to regulate soil moisture, creating a balanced environment for your kalanchoe's roots. Kalanchoes prefer a well-draining, slightly acidic soil. A mixture of cactus potting mix and perlite is an ideal combination, providing both drainage and aeration. Repotting every 2 years after flowering allows you to refresh the soil and give your plant room to spread its roots. Choose a pot that's slightly larger than the previous one and handle the roots with care during transplanting. Just as we nourish our bodies with wholesome foods, our kalanchoes need the right nutrients to thrive and produce those vibrant blooms. During the growing season, use a balanced liquid fertilizer like FloraGrow, diluted to half strength every 2 weeks. As your kalanchoe prepares to bloom, switch to a fertilizer that promotes flowering, like FloraBloom. FloraBloom contains higher levels of phosphorus, which encourages bud formation and vibrant blooms. Add a pinch of Epsom salt to the fertilizer solution once a month. Epsom salt is a natural source of magnesium, which aids in chlorophyll production and promotes healthy blooming. Just as we tidy our homes to create a sense of calm and order, pruning our kalanchoes helps to maintain their shape, encourage new growth, and prevent pests. After your kalanchoe finishes blooming, give it a little trim. Use sharp, clean scissors to snip off the spent flower stalks at the base. This will prevent the plant from putting energy into seed production and encourage it to focus on new growth and future blooms. If you notice any leggy stems, pinch them back to encourage bushier growth. While kalanchoes are relatively pest-free, they can occasionally attract mealybugs or spider mites. After a period of vibrant blooming, your kalanchoe deserves a time of rest and rejuvenation. This dormant period is essential for the plant to gather energy for future blooms. To trigger reblooming, create artificial short days for your kalanchoe. For 6 weeks, place your plant in a dark location for 14 hours each day. During the remaining 10 hours, provide it with bright, indirect light. During this dormant period, adjust your watering routine. Water only when the soil is completely dry and avoid overwatering. By respecting its natural rhythms and providing the right conditions, you'll be rewarded with a display of color that sparks joy year after year. As we conclude our tidying journey with the Kalanchoe Blossfeldiana, remember that caring for plants is a process of continuous learning and joyful discovery. Embrace the simplicity of its needs, and you'll be amazed by the vibrant life it brings to your home. Each time you water, prune, or simply pause to admire your Kalanchoe's beauty, remember that you are nurturing more than just a plant. You are cultivating a sense of peace, harmony, and connection with the natural world. Now, go forth and create a blooming oasis that sparks joy in your heart and home.